Alright, again, that's the old one. It's all cracked up. There's some cracks around here. Right there, stuff like that. This was junk because the motor shaked. So I replaced it with this one. And that's it. Tighten that bolt. That one right here. And that other side. I'm not sure what the torque spec is. I just tightened it up as tight as I could get it. And then there's those two up there. Now you can actually buy the bushing. All right, just this whole bushing right here comes out. I don't have a press, or else I would have pressed it out and taken this bushing out, and then you just get another one and put it in right here. It's a lot of work, unless you have a press. Otherwise, you're gonna be hammering. The bushing's only like $14. The whole part itself was 90. It was 101. With taxes and everything, it came out to like 110. But I think that's it. Let's start it up and see how it runs. There we go. Oh yeah, much better. No engine vibration. Sounds good. I'm gonna take it out for a test drive. Turn it off. Because even when you started it before, the engine would shake. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. Yeah, so if you got like vibrations and you think it's something to do with your tires, just make sure that these bushings are good. I mean, this one's kind of a little ripped, but nothing crazy. Make sure this mount down here is good. This one down here, right there, that one's good. I mean, when you put your tires on, you you tighten the bolts, and then you tighten the bolts, you put the tire on there, and you wiggle the tire. If there's no wiggle, then that means it's good. But if there's play in it, that means the wheel bearing's probably bad. So you're gonna have to swap that out. Yeah, everything else looks good. All right, I'm just gonna put it back together, and that's it. That's how you replace the front tranny mount. The back one, it's kind of hard to see. It's way back there. Yeah, it's right there. You can actually see it a little bit, but there's a little cap you're gonna have to take off and see if that's all ripped up. If it is, you're gonna have to replace it. Mine looks good. But yeah, that's pretty much it.